Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share the best tips and tricks for a healthier lifestyle. Looking to shed some pounds quickly and effortlessly? Well, you're in the right place. I've got just the thing for you. A simple yet effective weight loss drink that you can whip up in no time. Introducing a delicious weight loss drink that's super easy to make. You'll need a banana, which is packed with potassium and fiber. A green apple, which adds a refreshing taste and is full of antioxidants, and chia seeds, which are a powerhouse of nutrients. And don't forget 200 milliliters of low-fat milk. This will make your drink creamy and add a good dose of calcium. Ready? Let's get started. This drink is not only nutritious but also incredibly easy to prepare. First, slice up your banana and green apple. Make sure to cut them into small pieces so they blend easily. Toss them into a blender. The combination of banana and green apple gives a perfect balance of sweetness and tartness. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds for that extra nutritional boost. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. Finally, pour in 200 milliliters of low-fat milk. This will make your drink smooth and creamy, perfect for a meal replacement. Blend it all up until it's smooth and creamy. Make sure there are no chunks left, so you get a perfect texture. And there you have it. A nutritious, filling drink that can replace a meal and help you stay on track with your weight loss goals. I recommend having this for dinner. It's light, yet filling, making it an ideal choice for your evening meal. This drink is packed with fiber from the chia seeds, so you'll feel full and satisfied, reducing those late-night cravings. The fiber content helps in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer, which is essential for weight loss. Not only does this drink taste amazing, but it's also designed to help you lose weight and stay on track with your fitness goals. It's a win-win. Give it a try, and let me know how it works for you in the comments. I love hearing your success stories and feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy. Remember, small changes can lead to big results.